How to add music to Instagram post on laptop. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can add music to Instagram post on laptop. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if you try to create a post on the Instagram in your laptop, you will not be able to add music to your post like the Instagram application in your mobile device. But alternatively, what you can do is you can install BlueStacks, that is the Android emulator in your device. In order to install it, simply open up a new tab, then search for download BlueStacks, and then you can install this emulator in your device. After that, you can download BlueStacks as an Android emulator in your device, and after the completion of download, you have to open up the emulator and then install the Instagram application from the emulator. After that, open up the application, then you can create a post with music just like the Android application. So that was one of the way to add music on your Instagram post through the emulator. But if you don't want to install the emulator, you can use other video editing applications such as CapCut. Open up the CapCut and then there import your photos that you want to add in your Instagram, then add your preferred audio. Once you have added, export that, and then you can upload the photo that you have edited from CapCut within audio, and then simply post it from your Instagram account in the laptop. So that was the another way. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.